Okay, I have a fun double reveal routine to share with you today. I'll be assuming that we have two spectators, and in this performance, each spectator will actually be finding the other spectator's card, okay? So it has kind of a fun twist to it there, okay? So I'll assume I have a spectator A and a spectator B. Okay, so spectator A, I need you to randomly choose any number between 8 and 12. It's a free choice. You want 8? Okay. So what I'll do is I'll deal out 2 piles of 8 cards each for you. 6, 8. Okay. Same question for spectator B. How many cards would you like in your 2 piles? Somewhere between 8 and 12. You want 9? Okay, that's fine. 3, 6, 9 for one pile. Let's see, 3, 6, 9 for the second pile. Okay, very good. Now, spectator A, I need you to point to either one of your 2 piles. The left one? Okay, so what I need you to do is remember the identity of the bottom card. This is your card to remember. Okay, I'll set it down right there. Now, spectator B, I need you to cut off any number of cards from spectator A's other pile. So you can just come in here and cut off any number that you like. Put them in front of you, spectator B. And then spectator B, point to either one of your piles. You want this one? Okay, so you need to remember this card. Okay, that is your special card to remember. Okay, and then spectator A, you're free to cut any number of cards from spectator B's other pile. So you can just come in here and cut a few, if I can pick them up, cut a few cards. Okay, and then at this point, what we'll do is we'll take the larger piles and set them on top of the smaller piles. Okay, and now we're going to thoroughly mix each of the piles using a very powerful shuffle. It's called the Klondike shuffle. This is where you take the top and bottom off as 1. Now, if you have an odd number of cards like we did there, you'll finish with a single card at the end, which is not a problem. So you're taking the top and bottom cards off as 1. That's what we're doing. Top and bottom. Okay, looks like you had an even number there, which is fine. Okay. Now, for the first time, let's take a look at how many cards each of you cut. Okay, so spectator A, you cut 4 cards. Spectator B, you cut 5. Okay, so believe it or not, the freely cut cards from spectator A's pile by spectator B is going to help us locate spectator A's card. Okay, so 5 cards were cut. So what I'm going to do is just count out 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then spectator A, you cut 4 cards from spectator B's pile, and that number is going to locate spectator B's noted card. Okay, so 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, very good. So let's see if that actually worked. That's pretty amazing if it did. So for the first time, spectator A, what is your card? It is indeed. Spectator B, what's your card? It is indeed. That is amazing. Okay, so if you perform this as is, this will work for you. It's a very simple extension of the classic Klondike Shuffle Miracle video that I've posted on my channel already, in which you just do one portion of this. You just have a single spectator choosing a prediction card and cutting a random number of cards and so forth. So this is just a fun extension in which one spectator is actually locating the other spectator's card, completely determined by the number of cards randomly cut by each of these 2 spectators. Okay, so this will work as is, and I'll add a link in the description below, what I call the Klondike Shuffle Miracle, in which I talk about the basic version of this routine and also the mathematics driving it. Why does it work? So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.